Welcome to this 5-minute meditation. It's time to relax your body, calm your mind, and release the stress of the day. As we begin, find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Let go of everything that's been holding you back today. As you exhale, imagine all your worries slowly leaving your body. Feel the tension in your shoulders melting away, your arms relaxing, your legs at ease. You are fully supported. Now, take another slow breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs, energizing every part of your body. And as you breathe out, picture yourself surrounded by the beauty of nature. Imagine you're standing on top of a mountain, feeling the fresh air on your face. Let nature's calmness wash over you. Imagine the rivers gently flowing, carrying away any tension. Feel the earth beneath you and the breeze touching your skin. The mountains remind you of your strength, and the soft clouds drifting above fill you with peace and lightness. Now, bring your focus to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye center. Feel the energy there, the connection to your inner self. Let your mind settle into this place of stillness. As you breathe in, allow yourself to be fully present. And as you exhale, feel the clarity within you expand. The sounds of nature, the gentle wind, the distant bell. Let the atmosphere around you blend with the calm within, all reminding you to relax and trust in this moment of peace. With each breath, feel more grounded, more present. Your body is light, your mind clear. Allow the energy of this moment to flow through you, recharging your spirit. As you sit here, visualize yourself surrounded by nature's beauty. The sound of the flowing river reminds you to let go. The wind in the trees whispers peace, and the earth beneath your feet keeps you grounded. Each breath you take is a reminder of the harmony between you and the natural world around you. Feel the atmosphere around you, the cool breeze, the warmth of the sun, the sounds of nature. Let them fill your senses, grounding you further into this moment. As you breathe in, feel the purity of the air entering your body. As you breathe out, let go of any last bits of stress or worry. Imagine a soft, glowing light entering from the top of your head, flowing gently through your body. This light brings calmness and peace. It spreads through your chest, into your arms, your legs, and all the way down to your toes. You are now filled with warmth, light, and positive energy. This energy connects you to the world around you. Feel the connection between you, the sky, the earth, and the energy of everything around you. You are part of this beautiful, harmonious universe. Before we finish, let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly. Let yourself relax even more. Again, breathe in deeply. Feel the calmness around you. And as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension. One last time. Inhale deeply and exhale gently. Feel your body, mind, and spirit in harmony with the world around you. Namaste. Thank you for sharing this moment of peace with me today.